You're not calling him back either.
Five of them just kind of swimming in a row. Some of the best fish finders out there. If you see them dive into the water, you know they're going for some kind of food, right? They're trying to get away. Swim away from the boat because they have no clue what we're doing here and why. They're just birds. They fulfill their purpose in nature and then they're done, basically.
There's three more down there, about 15 of them. On this rock, that rock, and then rock down there. See them all?
There are quite a few of them. Wow, God, my goodness.
That's 3 families.
That's a lot of ducks. Take off again and fly. That is. Oh, what was that just flew by?
That's the mallard.
Take off and fly.
He won't do it. He's standing there looking, waiting for a fish to come by.
Yeah. Wow.
That old blue heron, there he goes.
There he goes.
He winters down there in Florida in my backyard.
Oh, yeah?
He's not clean fish. I feed him.
Oh, there he goes. I've still got him. Oh, no, it's gone. There's Pride Rock.